आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. With me is Miaں Imran Masood. Everyone knows him, and he is right now here at his homeland, Gujarat. He just attended a ceremony. We would love to know from him what was the ceremony about, and I would ask him some spicy questions. As we all know, he was a politician, he's an ex-politician, and right now he's VC, University of South Asia. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum ji.
How are you, sir?
I'm all right.
How are you feeling after this ceremony?
It's a fantastic program. I feel so happy. American Embassy का ये funded program है, and they selected teachers from Gujarat. So you know Gujarat is my weakness, and I'm so.
Why is it your weakness? Because it's your homeland?
Yeah, because I was born here. I represent Gujarat in the assembly, and people elect me, and I represent them. So I have a great attachment with my homeland, which is.
Sir, when you see such events happening in your hometown, how do you feel about it?
Well, I go around every district of Punjab and Pakistan, but when it comes to Gujarat, I have a special feeling, a special liking for my own people from Gujarat. It gives me a lot of confidence, it gives me a lot of encouragement, and it gives me a lot of pride also. And you know, anybody, anywhere, any leader, any politician, any media person, any poet, any teacher from Gujarat, and I think it is me, it is I.
It actually boosts your
That's my
confidence.
voice of my heart actually. So I am very happy today. They selected one of our teachers, Shumaila. She went to Nebraska University for the ELT training program in English. And she came back and she started her own training programs. It's a continuous program. Every year they select about 50 people from Pakistan and they send them abroad.
Though it's a controversial question, but still, Zirmara College is producing a lot of leaders. Why there is no renovation? Who do you blame about that? Or what do you think? Why it's still the same old building?
Well, Zirmara College has its own past and its own history. It's one of a very prestigious college that we have in Gujarat and Punjab and Pakistan. It's quite a huge campus. We started master's programs in that college. Yes, that college needs funds. The government should give them more funds so that students should have more facilities. Infrastructure should be developed. So I will put in a word to the government and I'll ask them to give.
It was the request from all of the teachers, by the way. It's not only the media or me.
I know. I will try my best to get funds for.
And sir, do you see any advanced university opening in Gujarat other than UOG or any other?
Well, we would like to welcome new campuses in Gujarat. Why not? If the government wants to open up a Sarkari university, they can. We have one private university which has come up very recently, which is University of Chenab. And we supported this charter. We gave this charter to University of Chenab. We already have University of Gujarat, which is doing very well. So any new university, whether it comes in the private sector or the government sector, that will be welcomed.
Sir, as the initiative was taken by Ms. Shumaila, first time public and private sector took part together. How do you feel about that, and would you wish to see that in upcoming future?
Well, that's my personal vision, that I need to have more integration between public and private. I strongly believe in public-private partnership. I always say that whether it is a public sector or private sector, they should go hand in hand, because our target is to give proper education to the children of Pakistan. So I was very happy to see people from the private sector. So this inclusion policy that we have also created in the university sector, and the fashion of consultation that we've already started now, and we have a great mix of public-private universities also now in terms of policy making, in terms of our meetings. So this culture has now come up very well.
My last question and query, sir, as Pak News, you know already, it's your own channel. So what do you feel about it? An anchor interviewing you in English, and what's your thoughts about it?
Well, I was not expecting that Pak News will be having such a nice anchor. I like to give this credit to Ijaz Sahib and Tariq Salamat Sahib, and to you too also, to your team. Well done and keep it up.
Thank you so much, sir. With me was Miaں Imran Masood, excellent words by him, encouraging youth, teachers and parents. He is hopeful that in future there will be recognized universities opening up in Gujarat, and there would be more programs like one Ms. Shumaila has organized. There would be more teachers participating and teaching students. From Pak News, this is it. Keep watching. Thank you.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।